Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am guiding you what is this Zapier.com. The most people know about this, and some of the beginners don't know what is this Zapier and how we can use this. So let me guide you how we can use this Zapier and what is this and what is the purpose of this and how people are using this. Basically that is like we said, automate your task, automate your anything like you want. For example, in a basic example, we said we want for example, today as I'm guiding you regarding this Facebook and the YouTube. For example, you upload any video on the YouTube, and you want that is also the URL of that video is also posted on the Facebook. So how you can do that? That is basically called automation. For example, like you do one thing and that is happened. Okay, so it's working in that way. You can create a lot of like zaps. We in the Zapier we call this zap. Like this automation is also called the zap in the form of this Zapier.com. So people create a lot of automations here, like whatever they did, like so they want something like that. Automation is working in our industry very fast, so people are using this in a very frequent manner. So that's a very like a enhancing tool in future and as well in the current era, and people are using before that as well. So let's talk about this, and let's discover this, and how we can work on that and how we can do these things. Okay, so basically there is some already pre-built automations as well. You can create your own as well, and so that is really amazing. And there's a 5,000 plus apps, infinite possibilities in the Zapier, so you can create that. There is some free options as well, and some pricing as well here in the Zapier. For the advanced level you need like pricing, and you can pay for the plan as well. But as a beginner you have like a 5 zaps you can create, and you can publish that as well. So there is some possibilities restriction in the free version, but if you have a paid account you have no restriction or anything. So let's start this tutorial regarding what is this Zapier and how you can create automation. As I told you, today we are going to create a zap that is for the YouTube and the Facebook. Okay, now I am going to log in into my account. You must sign up and log in. If you want to create a zap, you can log in, or you can sign up through your Gmail account as well, or you can use your own personal email as well. That is a free of course, so you can log in. Let me log in first and show you the internal interface. Okay, now I am logging into my account like Zapier.com, and I log in with my email and the password. So you can do that. You can log in with your Gmail account as well. That's really easy, and you can do that. So here is the interface of the Zapier, is something like that. There's a dashboard, zaps, transfer, my apps, zap history, explore, and the get help. So as I told you, I am using the free plan. The free plan have a task 0 or means 100 out of 0, and the 5 zaps we can create. Okay, we can upgrade a plan as well, and if we want. So as I told you, today we are going to create a zap that is for the YouTube and the Facebook page. For example, you have a YouTube channel and you upload a daily video on your YouTube, and you want that YouTube URL or YouTube video is also posted on your Facebook page. How you can automate that, how you can do that through this Zapier. That is really easy how you can do that, and I'll guide you how you can do that, and easily possible, and what's that. Okay, for example, let me guide you from the start. Like I already created that YouTube to Facebook, but let me guide you. We are going to create a new zap first of all. Okay, and first of all, that is the trigger. Trigger means what happened, like what is the first. A trigger is the event that starts a zap, like what happened, and what is the action. Like what happened means like you upload the video, that is that trigger. That is something like there is an event is triggered, and what you want. If that event is triggered, like YouTube video is uploaded, then what is happening, what happened, like what you want, like that video is also go on to the Facebook page. For example, that is a YouTube. I select the YouTube, and then I select the event. For example, like a new video, I upload the new video in a channel. You can select this option as well. A new video in the playlist, whatever the option you want to select, you select from here. Like for example, new video, I select the new video, then I click a continue. Then you need to add your YouTube account with this here, and with all the credential, with all the things, you can attach your YouTube account here, and then what is the username and whatever the things that trigger, and then you finish this. You need to upload or fill out this information 100%. You need to attach your account and whatever the triggers, whatever the username, that is automatically fetch. If you attach your YouTube account here, that is automatically the username. They give you option here, so you can select that. And what happened, like I want when a YouTube video is upload, then that is published on that is post on Facebook page as well. So we can select the different pages as well. We can select the one page as well. So what happened, like we want that to create a page post, okay, create page video and whatever we want, like Facebook page and the post in the stream, and create a new page, stream post on the page, and create a page photo or whatever we want. We want that create a page post. Okay, we select this, continue. We need to select the username and the account with the Facebook page, and then continue. What is the value like we want? For example, that is my page made by Wahaj. I select this, okay, and I select the message what I want. So first of all, you need to complete this. Let me go to the previous app that I attach my account there, and I will show you from there. Okay, so that is the one I attach everything, my YouTube account and my page as well. Okay, let me guide you from here, like what you need to do. Okay, as I told you, that is a trigger and that is the action. Okay, I'm going to edit this. Okay, so here you see that I attach all the things, my account, my triggers, and that is the channel ID. As you see that the channel IDs are automatically triggered from this, and you can test that. You can also test that we found a new video in the channel, and this everything is there, and whenever the new video is uploaded, so that is tested as well. Okay, so what is happen when the new video is uploaded on YouTube? For example, like I edit my page as well, like as I told you, my page is this. For example, what is this, what you want to how that post is look like and how that is working. Okay, for example, if you want your post is something like that, there is a URL, the message is something like in a post, basically as you want when you upload you publish a post, you need a URL of the YouTube video. So that is the first in the message, and then there is a description of that video or whatever you want. You can add your custom message here as well, and you can upload a default description of the YouTube as well, and that is the link of the URL. And if you because that is attached to this post, for example, anyone click on that post, that redirect to the YouTube video. So you need to select that URL as well from here, YouTube URL. Okay, so there you can test that as well easily. That is publish the post here as well on your page. So that is working in that way. You can test that, and finally you can publish and turn on this Zap, and that is working by default. If you go to your YouTube channel and upload the video, that is also published on your Facebook page as well. So that is the Zap I created. That is my recent app, and you can also create your own zaps as well. As I told you, there's a lot of options for you to create a zap. You can delete as well, delete this one as well, move to the trash. Okay, you can switch off the zap as well, that is not running. As you see that zap is off, so you can just click on that, zap is on. So that is working in that way. You can create your own new zaps here as well. Click on this create button and a new zap, and you can find whatever you want. Like here you search that whatever the software, whatever the service you need from, like you want that is upload on Instagram as well, your YouTube video, whatever the thing you want when you post on Facebook, that is also post on Instagram. So you can link these options as well. and there's a lot of options in this Zapier, so you can test that. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.